We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. Sorry for the breaking transmission. I hope I can. Let me even check if I'm making myself. Back. Back. Okay. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. Everybody should be live. Everybody should be live. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay. 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 Someone is in. Someone is in. So let me continue what I was saying. So share my screen for trading view. So share. Want to create four viewers. Okay. Okay. If you are here, say something in the comments. Say something in the chat. Say something in the chat. So now, if I want to create a new account, just like everybody will be doing, I will go. I'll get started. Right now, you don't need to pay. There is some paid this thing that us we use, but for now, there's no need to pay. For now, there's no need to pay. So you're just gonna sign up. Then you're going to continue with Google. So I'll use my email. My email is fshcapital gmail.com. Then my password is this. Ish. I shared my password. Yay. Bakuruba. I shared my password. Yay. Bro. Um, okay. I'm not a robot. Oh, I am a robot in the market. I go scripts. Let me do this recapture thing next. Le trafic de lit. Wait, it's so cute, isn't it? And to finish this recapture thing. I hate this thing. So I'm creating an account now. Save. So let me verify my email. Let me do that as quick as possible. Let me activate the account. So now let me share my screen to where it is now. So share screen. Share. Okay, wait. Okay. So now we're back here. Just finish up. So this. I don't want marketing emails and special offers. I don't. So we go here. There are many plans you can choose from, but for now there's no need to pay. So you go to product and go to super chat. This is what we need. So now we're here on the chart. So now we're here on the chart. Now we're here on the chart. So that's it. So now, if you're opening your TradingView account for the first time, this is what you will see. Apple will be the first thing you would see. So now let me just explain everything. Let me explain everything. Okay. So now here, let me just tell you the tools and everything you would need to trade. So now here, we don't need all these. Here, trend line, we would need the trend line. So what you're going to do is you're going to add the trend line. You're going to, so star, what star does, it will bring them here. So you can see here, see what I just added. It will show here. So I can then bring it here. So whenever I need to use it, I just pick it here instead of going all the way here to pick it. So trend line, we need a ray. We need a horizontal line, we need a horizontal ray. So just click every single thing you're seeing here that I'm doing, just click it too. We might need a vertical line and a parallel channel. Just that. That's it for this section. Then for this section, we would need a fib for sure. We need a fib. We would need that's all we need here. Then we'll go here. We would not need anything. I don't think so. Okay, we don't need anything here. All these things that people, some other people use it, like people that are doing all those math strategies, but right now we don't need that. So now we're going to put a long position, a short position, a price and date range. I only need price range. So just add the same thing that I'm adding to yours. So we would also need a rectangle, a path, an ellipse. Yes. An arrow too. Now we don't need arrow. We don't need arrow. Texts. We will need text. So just do this and that's it. And price notes. There's no need for all this. And that's just it. Okay. So now you can see everything. So just cover this thing. This 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 months. So in trading, anytime you see W, it means week. Anytime you see M, it means month. Anytime you see Y, it means year. Anytime you see D, it means day. Anytime you see M, it means minutes. It can mean minutes or months. Most likely minutes. H is hours. So that's just it. So from what I had already explained in the last what's it called? In the last in part one of the last topic was the types of instruments that we trade. So right now, what you will do now, you will just add the instruments that you need to trade. Right now, what we're doing now, we'll just add the instrument we need to trade. So we'll remove what we don't need and add what we need. So this S&P 500, I don't think I want to keep this one. Oh yeah, it is not needed. So just delete everything. What I'm going to tell you, just delete every single thing. Every single thing. So you just delete everything. Mhm. So we just need to delete every single. You just need to delete every single thing, and that is just it. Now we'll add everything we need to add. So we'll just go to. I always use FXCM. So we'll go to Forex pairs first. We'll choose our Forex pairs from FXCM. So we'll choose Euro USD. We'll choose GBP USD. So let me add to my watch list GBP USD and USD JPY. Those are all we need. So now we'll need gold. So we'll now go to all, back to all. We'll need gold to XAU USD. We'll need gold by FXCM. We'll need XAG USD, which is silver, as I've explained before. We'll add that. We'll also need S&P 500, SP 500. Now there are many to choose from. So let me refine what I'm trying to say. Yes, 500. So let me check the one I'm using on my own trading view. Let me check the one I'm using on my trading view. Also S&P 500 FXCM. That's what I'm using. So just have to type it fully. S and P 500 index. So you need to type the whole thing in index. So now you can see it FXCM now. That's what we need to see. Then we also choose NAS 100 FXCM too. Then we also need US oil FXCM again. We will need XPT USD, which is platinum. That one FXM is obvious, so we use Rwanda. Then what else? We would need DXY, most important one. Let me check the one I'm using. So use TVC. We'll use the TV. Oh my god. That's not something, no. Hi Karama. The one I finished the DXY. So we're going to see something right now. As I open it, I just tap on the DXY. Boom. It's downtrending. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful downtrend. Beautiful downtrend. This is the previous high. Let me just quick analysis. Okay, doesn't close with below the previous high, so we're good. So let me continue what we were doing before. So I think I've added everything. Is it many BTC? Yeah, BTC USD. We'll use Coinbase for that one, and that is it. So now you can just put everything like this. You don't need to. So you can do the same way I did. I section my own into investment page, blah, blah, blah. But I feel you just keep it like this. Just take DXY to the top. DXY must be at the top. Yes. Gold, S&P, Nas 100. Yes. Yeah, yeah. And Abdul, I just wanted to say this to you. Very correct. Very correct. You're very, very, very correct. Not you just opened my eye to see US oil, and I did not take the trade on US oil, but it's going up, it's trending to the upside, and which is good. I might place trade, I might not. So that's just that for that. So now, really, that is how you will create your trading view account and you'll be able to analyze on your account. So now let me just tell you whatever you would need to do. Okay. So you would do, you can choose a whatever preset. So save, if you want to save this, I would rename it to whatever I want to rename it, but I'll rename it as FSH strategy. So settings, if you go to settings, so just right click on what, then it should take you okay to this. So you can choose the body of my candle. I like my body to be white. I like my body to be black. I like my borders to be black for black, 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 black. Then my wick to be black too. So I'm not sure everything you would need to be black. Then what else? Stars line. Something unique for you. Scales and lines. So just so they can see everything that's going on in the bigger picture. I'll tell you what to use for all this. Canvas. So we'll change this to line style to this one and we'll keep it as black. Yes. So it will be like this. You can see how it will be. Session breaks. Yes. So now this is session breaks. It just show you how everything is happening in the market. So that's that for that. So right now you need to see the market in a bigger picture. So it's just showing you the sessions that the market was in. So then now you add the time frames. So I've not finished the lesson on time frames. So the time frames you add is 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So you just favorite everything. The 1 hour, the 2 hours, the 4 hours, the 1 day, the weekly, and the monthly. So it is sure, yes, I don't need to be going here to find all the interval that you will need. So let me just explain whatever you need to use. So a trend line. So let me uh okay. So let me just explain whatever I all is here. So a trend line, let me remove session breaks. Let me remove session breaks. So settings. So that it will be clearer and cleaner. So for trend line, we just use trend line to draw trends. So trends like this, blah blah blah. Array is the same thing, but it's longer. It goes the end of the chart to the end. So there is no ending. Sorry, there's no ending of it. It just continues going like that. This horizontal line is to mark different points in the market. So a 55 point blah, 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 blah. Ray is the exact same thing, but just from a specific point. So if I just want to mark what price is this, this is just to okay. I'm starting from 15th of December. Blah, blah, blah. A parallel channel is just to know when price is in a range. So if I can give an example, let's go to another chart. I think on gold it brought something like that. A parallel channel came up. So on gold we saw something like this. We saw an upward channel on gold. I'm going to explain all these things as we're progressing in whatever we need to. So a parallel channel. So this is called parallel channel. Just from here to here, then just increase it like that. So you can customize everything. Me, my own is in black. So this is a new account. I'll reset everything when I need to. So now you can see prices going up, down, up, down, up, down before it breaks it. Whatever, that's not our business. We just use this to locate the parallel channel. If so, peradventure we wanted to sell here, we saw a break and retest like my strategy. We would sell here and we'll put a stop loss right around here and we'll put a TP here. 2.5 is the reward. Above me, that's simple profit. So this is just how to use the short position and long position. Just like today that I took a trade, I took a beautiful. Oh my god, that trade was beautiful. A trade from here, my stop loss was somewhere here, and I took my profit around here. So it was an intraday position, and the risk reward was not that good. But made a mistake and I placed 10x my usual risk. 10x my usual risk. Thank God I did. Thank God to know a profit from my account and didn't blow it. It was the personal account. It was live capital. So that is just it for now. What else? Add date and price ranges to know how many pips something ran. So this ran 90.6 pips, whatever. Please you don't need that. A rectangle is to okay, this is a point of resistance, this is a point of support, this is a point of resistance. So all these things I will teach it when we need it. A path is to say, oh, I know that price is going back down here, then push back to the upside. So it's just to forecast. Ellipse is just to I just use it to know a range of price. So price has range here, here, and I can just open this also. This is the price action. Blah, blah. Text is you want to see anything, you want to say blah, blah, blah. So that is just it. Price point is okay. Oh, okay. I want to buy at this price point. Change the price. So that's just it. So for the use of trading. That's just it for the use of trading. So we're ending this class off. And now for the special surprise. for the special surprise for the people that are live, the two people that are live. Um. Okay. So for the two people that are live, call this number. Call this number right now. Call this number right now. Let me type it. 09022992926. Then I would bone this. Let me make it 2032. So I hope you can see it. So 09022992926 have a special gift for the people that are here. So be fast. We're ending this session off by 6 o'clock. Okay. Start. First person. What's your name? Who's calling? Okay, Mohammed again. Baba Mohammed. How are you? How is everything? I hope I know really there's really nothing to learn in that just to
I don't actually to add presents. I just want to market. I'm sorry, but I didn't get most of the class because I didn't know what you said.
Oh, okay. But you could just see the picture representation. So really, I wasn't saying anything much. I was just doing what I was saying, what I was doing.
Okay.
You get. So now the special surprise. Ah, I think somebody is calling again. I'm coming.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, nobody's calling right now. Okay, let me. So you're the first person.
Yeah.
Should I do it for the first person? I should, or for all viewers, all live viewers right now. So I'm going to put a link in the chat box right now to a free signal group. So if you want to take the trades yourself for the advanced traders and for the people that already have their own accounts, a signal group, I would put it in the description below. So cheers on that. I just decided that okay, let me give some trades out for free. Only for this month. Only for 1st of January. Because this month, you guys missed a trade. I placed a mad trade on gold today. Let me share my screen for the advanced traders. So this is for the advanced traders. Let me share my screen for boom 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 boom. Let me end this and share this. So I risked $20,000 on a trade. My normal risk is $2,000, and I made a mistake with Kojo Forex's what's it called? I hopped on the call with Kojo Forex today, and we just talked about some things on gold, blah blah blah. So he was the one that motivated me to place a gold trade today. So I just decided to trade gold today because the last time I traded gold was I think a month ago. So beautiful trade, beautiful trade. Let me do that window. So let me share my screen on why I play